Go. Do you need my help?
No, I don't need your help. Don't touch me.
Go. You have it. You just stop for no reason. Oh fuck.
I will learn before Tyler.
Go. You can do it. What is that? Go.
What if I learned today?
Go. That would be cool. Go. I don't think you've ever even tried. You can do it. You you almost had it. You can ride a freaking bike. Go. You can do it. Yay! Oh. Yay! Oh. Go.
I'm starting over.
Daybreak. You don't need to get feisty.
I'm gonna how do I write? How do I write? 2.75.
Oh.
2.275. 2.75.
Okay. Go again. You can do it. Up 2. 3, 4. Let's go. Come on, just keep swimming. Go. Just, you can do it. Let's go. Can you some music?
You're distracting me.
Harry. Don't do that. Okay. Go. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. What are you doing? Oh my god.
See, this is what I'm talking about.
Just do it. Just go.
Andrew?
Yeah, there you go. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You know Good job.
423. I'm gonna get about 423.
Yeah, okay. How about 5?
I tried all night to try to learn how to ride a bike for us.
Yeah, okay.
No, I'm still not.
Come on, go. Huh?
Bobby, look at Bobby, look at Bobby, just Bobby.
Bobby! Herb. Bobby! Tushy! Go. That doesn't count. Alright, what you gotta do? Just gotta keep on pedaling. What you gotta do? Just gotta keep on pedaling. Just don't ever stop. Yeah, just don't stop. Even if you lose balance, don't stop. You won't fall. No, you won't. You really won't. No, you won't. You won't fall if you keep going. You're gonna fall if you stop going. So just keep going. You can do it. You are straight. Last time I checked, you didn't come out of the class. Alright, just keep going. Next time, just keep going. Go. Keep going. Ah, man. What? Don't go slow, go fast. Just keep going. Just don't stop pedaling. The reason that you keep, going off bounds is because you stop pedaling. You can do it. You can do it.
too small in here. Dude, that's really going all the way up and down.
No! Please. Look at you. Look, puppies. Oh, puppy. Puppy. Uh-uh. Get the mess. See? You gotta keep going. Just push it hard and keep going. Just go. Boom, boom. Don't look at the blade. Oh, you're a flip. Go, go. Stop it. Stop doing that. You gotta go. You gotta keep going. This is a 13-minute video already, please.
Yeah, I told you I can't ride a bike.
Yeah, but you can try.
You didn't think you didn't believe I couldn't?
I knew you couldn't, but you're getting there. Yeah.
Oh,
Gosh darn it, you wanna see me do it?
no. Because I get how to